I've been trading a challenger account since from February and now it's August, but I'm still in phase one. I'm going to tell you the reasons why I got stuck in the phase one of this challenger account. So let's continue. You're welcome, guys, on the Ugandan Trader YouTube channel. Once again, on this YouTube channel we talk about prop firms and we talk about forex trading. So I've been trading this challenger account. I got this account, I bought it in February, at the beginning of February, because that was one of my plans that I had for this year. That was one of my goals for this year, that I'm going to buy a challenger account, I'll trade it, then at the end of the time I want to get funded by this year. But guess what? The account is still in phase one. That's how funny it is. So I got stuck in this account, phase one. But I think one of the reasons why I got stuck in this challenger account phase one, number one is I have been so conservative in terms of my risk management. When it comes to risk management, I know risk management is so important when it comes to trading. But you have to look at the way how you are risking, because like this one, it's not making sense at all. Trading an account for almost a year and I'm still in phase one. This is crazy. It's not making sense. So I've been so conservative. At the end of the time, the way how I'm trading, I don't lose that much when it's losses, and when I make money, I make profits, but it's not also that much. So like the curve is so long when it comes like to pass phase one. Remember, in most prop firms, their accounts in phase one, you have to pass a minimum of 8 to 10%. If it is a two plan challenger account, something like that, you have to pass a minimum profit target of 8 to 10%. That's how bad it is. But I've been stuck because of my risk management. I'm too conservative. When you think that you are going to risk risk small on your account, by risking 0.25, you are going to get stuck in this challenge phase. You can even trade this account fair. And for me, I've realized if I continue trading like this, even this year will end when this account is still in phase one, when I've not yet passed it. But that was not in my plan. Because my plan was, I'm going to buy an account at the starting of the year, I trade it within a period of 2 to 3 months, I pass it, then I get funded. I see how things are going to work. But this conservativeness has brought problems, you see. And I don't think this is the right way to trade challenge accounts. Even if it is a live phase, you don't need to trade this way, because you got funded lucky enough. How are you going to make money? How are you going to make money? Because at the end of the time, you are not going to make such money that you are going to do what? To withdraw from the account. You see, making 1%, it has to take you like 2 trades, but you don't know the market conditions, how they are going to be in the next day or the following day, something like that, or in the future. You see, markets are unpredictable. So what I was thinking when it comes to choose the right approach to on how to trade challenger accounts, especially when you are still in verification stages, you need to risk at least a minimum of 1%. If your risk management is good and you trust your strategy, you can pass these challenge accounts. 1% is enough to go, because I've tried 0.5, but I'm not seeing also that I'm growing that much in terms of my account growth. It's not growing the way how I was expecting it. But you can see I've been trading this account since from February up to now. It's August, but the account is still in phase 1, you see. So that's how bad it is. And another reason I may think why I got stuck in this, the way how we approach the challenge, I think that is not the right way. Because when I look at most of the guys who are passing challenge accounts, when you look at their testimonies and you hear their stories, they are talking about how they have been passing these challenge accounts. Some of them, they tell you they risk 1%, 2%. There are some, those ones who can even risk 3%, but I don't think that is recommendable. So at the end of the time, you find they have passed even a challenge account within 1 month. They have reached on a live account, they have made money, they have withdrawn. Though sometimes some of them, they don't keep those accounts, but the goal is to pass account, make money, withdraw, and move on. Losing these accounts is inevitable. You can lose it at any time. But also keeping it when it's used, it's not making money to you, it doesn't make sense. At the end of the time, it's also useless, you see. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to take you to my dashboard, and you see how I have been trading this account since from that time up to now, you see. So at the end of the time, I think you learn something from the way how I trade. If you had a plan trading like this way, I think now you have a choice to make.
So guys, this is how my dashboard is looking like. I got this account in Feb. So from that time, I traded it up to April. During that time, I traded a number of 37 trades, like the way you see here. Then in a period of 17 days, which was traded during that time. But during that time, this account, I got it was on March Trader. So when they introduced C Trader, I switched my account to C Trader in April. So since from then up to now, I've traded a number of 23 trades in a period of 19 traded days. So this is how my account dashboard is looking like. This is funding pips. So this is my current balance, and the account is in a drawdown. That's the way how it is, it looks like. So let me first check for you here. No, those are credentials. Let me check for you, and you see how the dashboard looks like. You see the account is still active here. That's when I changed it. It was 9th of April 2024. That's when they changed me to C Trader. So you can see the account is in a drawdown by 4%. The platform I'm using is C Trader, and this is a 2-plan step evaluation. You can see that's the way how it looks like. You can see this is my information. Win ratio is 34.78%, which is very, very, very low. Then you can see the profit factor is 0.67, average loss 44.5, then average win 55.64. Yeah, then you can see my results the way how they look like. things have been not so good for me. You can see these are losses. This is the last 2 trades that I took. Yeah, so that's the way how it looks like. And this is the account analysis showing number of days I traded is 19. Total trades taken 23. Average trades per day 0.1. 6. Total lots used during that time it's 8.6. Average lots used it is 0.45. The biggest win I got was $125 and the biggest loss was $63. Positive days 128. Then average positive days 0.0, very low. Negative days 13. Then average negative day 1.23. Then the highest record equity that I ever got on this account was I was above by $22. So this is how it looks like. You can see. So when you look at the calendar, since from then, this month I've only traded 2 days, but all of them they were losses. I traded on 20th, I made a loss, and on 26th I traded 2 trades, I also lost them. So that is the trades I've taken in this month of August. You can look at the calendar. Then when I take you to July, I traded 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I lost 4 and I won 2. That was the month of July. Then the month of June, I had 4 trades. I lost 2 and I won 2. Then this was the month of May. I lost 3, I won. This is the break-even trade. Then April, when I started, I had only 2 trades. So my busy schedule with other work is also affecting my trading, but I don't be that active in the markets, but I'm trying my best. So this is how my dashboard looks like. And I've told you the problems or the challenges that I've faced. So yeah, this is the way how it looks like.
So guys, this is how my dashboard looked like when I was showing you the way I was trading, the time I spent, the time I traded. Yeah, so I think if you have learned something useful from this video, you can give me a thumbs like button and make sure to subscribe so that next time when we post new videos you'll get notified. And until next time, take care.